how to round off numbers to a nearest place. For example, 28,718. So you want to round it off to this underlined place. Sometimes it's a circled, or sometimes you have, because this place is in the hundreds, and round it up to the nearest 100. So we want to know how close, what 100 is this number close to? That's what it means. So tip number 1, what should you do? Look at that place. This is where we have our attention is. Every digit after it turns 0. So get it off, it turns to 0. Not throw it away, it turns to 0. And then what should you then do? Look at the digits immediately after your place of interest. In this case, it is this place. This one determines what happens to this. If this is 5 or more, so your attention should be on 5, then this goes up by 1. If it is less than 5, then it remains the same. So in this case, this will be 28, because we don't have we don't have any business with the ones before it, right? That place. So now, what happens to this? Is it going up or it remains the same? It remains the same as 7, because 1 is less than 5. And then every digit, even if it is 100 digits, you write them as zeros. Turns to 0. Okay? Example 2. Let's see another one. This one is 5,780. The underlined place is this. That's the tens place, right? It could be rounded up to the nearest 10. Again, you are not bothered about the digits before it, so you write it as it is. 5, 7. Do I write this as 8, or it's going to go up to 9? Let's see. Look at the digits after it. Is this up to 5? No. So that means it only turns to 0. It is not big enough to change your 8. So 8 remains the same, and this becomes 0. So, still the same. Let's see another example. This is 47,627. Now, this is the place of interest, the 4, which is in the 10,000s place, right? This could be rounded up to the nearest 10,000, right? So, no digit before it, so we are starting from this, right? So let's look at the digits immediately after it. Is it big enough to make it go up to the next number? Let's see. 7 is more than 5, so it doesn't just turn to 0, it is big enough to change this to 5. So 4 becomes 5, every other digit becomes 0. 0, 0, 0, and 0, because we have 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4 after it. So this is 50,000. What that means is that 47,627 is closer to 50,000 than it is to 40,000. Is that not true? So that's it. Now let's see this. You are going to do this one, and then you leave your answers. 9,036. You are rounding up it up to the nearest 100, the underlined digit. What's your answer? Please let me know.